Hi there, I'm Stephanie, and this is Aegon. And today we're talking about how to clean your dog bed. What do you think about that, Aegon? Do you want to clean your bed?
Yes, you do.
Whether your four-legged friend spends the day tracking game in the woods or playing in the backyard, your dog deserves a clean, comfortable place to rest their paws. Here are a few general tips for a clean, comfortable bed. Before cleaning, always review your dog bed's care label for specific instructions. Your dog's bed is a haven for comfort and fur, dirt, food, etc. Vacuuming regularly keeps the bed fresher longer. Using the hose attachment, thoroughly vacuum the surface and the sides of the bed. And if the bed has sidewalls or bolsters, be sure to get into those seams where dirt could hide. Alternately, you can use a lint roller or dog hair remover, or even give it a good shake outside and then vacuum. Wiping dirty, muddy paws before your dog enters the house will help keep dirt to a minimum. Got stains on the cover or insert? Wet a cloth with water and gently clean the area. You can also use a mild, pet-safe detergent. Difficult stains may require a pet stain remover. L.L.Bean premium dog beds are built tough. Plus, they come with a removable washable cover, so they are easy to wash. After thoroughly vacuuming, simply unzip the cover, remove any inserts, re-zip all closures, and toss into the washing machine with light colors. Choose gentle or delicate cycle and cold water. We recommend cold water for reduced energy use. Be sure to use mild detergent. Don't bleach or dry clean. Dogs can get skin allergies from harsh chemicals. You can also put our covers in the dryer, set to tumble dry low. Remove promptly after drying to avoid shrinking. Once the cover is dry, reassemble the bed per instructions. Fully close the zippers. If there's a zipper garage, that's the fabric at the top of the zipper. Tuck the zipper inside to discourage chewing. The bed is now refreshed and ready to return to your best friend.
All clean. With a little routine care like this, you can make sure your dog is happy and rested for another full day of fun together. Now what do you say we get back out there and chase some squirrels? Come on, let's go.
For more tips and inspiration, visit our Get Outside guide at ll.bean.com/outside. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more L.L.Bean videos. See you out there!